Hey everyone! Don't have a credit card but need to lock in a hotel room for your 2026 trip? You aren't stuck. Booking.com actually has several ways to reserve a room using just a debit card, PayPal, or even no card at all. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to find these flexible stays. Let's dive in. Step 1. Filter for no credit card stays. The easiest way to start is by letting the search engine do the work for you. Enter your destination and dates as usual. On the sidebar, or under Filters on mobile, scroll down to the Payment Policy section. Check the box that says No Credit Card Needed. This will filter the results to only show properties that allow you to book with just your name and contact info. Step 2. Look for No Prepayment and Pay at the Property. Even if you don't use the filter, keep an eye out for the green text on search results that says No Prepayment Needed, Pay at the Property. These hotels typically allow you to use a standard debit card instead of a credit card, or they might not require any card details until you actually arrive at the front desk. Step 3. Use alternative payment methods. In 2026, many properties now accept digital wallets directly through the Booking.com checkout. Look for the Booking.com wallet, PayPal, or Google/Apple Pay icons at checkout. By choosing these, you can pay using your linked bank account or balance, bypassing the need for a physical credit card entirely. Step 4. Check the fine print. Before you hit Reserve, scroll down to the House Rules or the Fine Print section. Some hotels that don't require a card for the reservation might still ask for a cash deposit or a debit card hold upon check-in for incidentals. It's always best to know this up front so there are no surprises at the lobby. Step 5. Use the Book for Someone Else feature. If a property strictly requires a card and you don't have one, you can have a friend or family member guarantee the room. Check the box, I am booking for someone else. Enter your name as the guest, but use their card for the guarantee. Just make sure to mention this in the Special Requests box so the hotel knows why the names don't match. Traveling without a credit card is easier than ever if you know where to click. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.